This place is amazing. Real food, not like Mom's trash cooking.
Bro, I can't believe you made your mom bring us here again.
She has no choice. I never eat her garbage cooking at home.
Why does he hate everything I do for him?
Ugh, what is this supposed to be?
I made your favorite, honey. Heart-shaped pancakes with...
It was never my favorite. I want McDonald's. This is where it belongs.
But I woke up early to make...
Just give me cash for real food. Stop wasting my time.
Yo, Jay, what did your mom pack you today?
Look at this trash. Poor people food as usual.
Dude, that looks nasty. How do you live like this?
Watch this shot. Kobe. Let's go grab some real food. McDonald's? Mom, order me pizza, the expensive one with truffle.
Jay, honey, we can't afford that right now. I can make you...
You're the worst mom ever. Everyone else's parents buy them good food. This is what I deserve. Only the best for me.
It tastes fine to me. Why won't he even try it?
Holly, this looks absolutely wonderful. You've outdone yourself.
Seriously, this is so lame.
I made all your childhood favorites, honey. Please, just try.
I wish I could disappear so I never have to eat your disgusting food again. I hate you and your cooking.
Jay, please. Not in front of everyone.
Jay, how could you speak to your mother this way?
What's happening? Why isn't anyone moving?
You wish to disappear? Your wish is granted.
What? Who are you?
You shall learn the value of what you've rejected. You will hunger, but never taste.
No, wait, I didn't mean...
Holly, shall we continue dinner?
Mom, I'm right here. Can't you see me? No, I'm getting hungry. Please.
What would everyone like for dinner tonight?
How about your famous pot roast, dear?
I'll help you in the kitchen, Holly.
Mom's food was made with love. I was so wrong.
Have you learned true gratitude?
Yes, please. I'll never take her for granted again. I'm so sorry.
Jay, you're here. I somehow forgot all about you.
Wow, I've never seen him eat like that before.
Mom, I'm so sorry for being cruel. Your cooking is everything.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.